The bell tower is one of the largest musical instruments in the world, and there are over 5 tons of bells contained within this tower. The oldest one on display dates from 1550. Now, the 12 largest bells of the ring here have an amazing history. They were cast in 1725 for St Martin in the Fields. They rang to celebrate Cook's return from discovering Australia. They rang to celebrate the victory at the Battle of Trafalgar, and have rung for national and civic occasions ever since. Now they're here in Australia, they're doing exactly the same.